Done. Oh, my foot. These look crazy, bro. Jacket actually keeps me warm enough. It's just kind of weird, but it's hella puffy. Like if you sit down with this jacket on, like in the car, I'm just like a Stay Puff blue marshmallow man with this jacket on in the car. Yo, what's good? What's good, guys? Today we've got the well, obviously you've already seen the unboxing on foot part. So these black chili red granular gray sail, these shoes were actually amazing. These were more amazing than I thought. When I took them out of the box, I was like, whoa, this is the wrong size. They're so big, but I didn't know that they were doing this whole Gortex thing and the way they did, and I'll explain that here shortly. And yes, there is something on the box. I don't know what that was, but it's some kind of stamp. Just wanted to point that out. And, okay. But, like I was saying, I pulled them out of the box, and I was like, oh, man, these are too big. So I figured they, just sent me an 11 or something like that. But once I put them on, I was sadly mistaken. Well, I was actually greatly happy. Whatever. So we got the Gortex sneakers, right? And there's another colorway that's more of a brighter colorway. I think those are dope too. I may get my hands on those. After having this pair, it kind of makes me want that pair more. And these are going for like maybe $250, $270-ish on StockX. I think it's totally worth around $200 for what you're getting. This shoe is supposed to be waterproof. And I've had Gore-Texes way back in the day, but they're not like an Air Jordan 1. And the material that they used on here, I was just shocked out of the box. I was like, oh, but I think they have to make them out of these materials for them to perform the way that they're designed. So let's just get some closer looks at them. I know I keep showing that gray part, but it's just so good. It's like transitioning like crazy. Toe box, never seen material like this very often on sneakers. And that doesn't look like something that's going to crease anytime soon. I like how they have the tag kind of partially off-centered a little bit on the top. That's a dope touch. I think the red goes great with the colorway of the green and gray. And looking at the Gore-Tex a little closer there, I just think that's dope. It's all kind of reflective. The swoosh is reflective. It's really, really nice. Just really, really nice. You got green laces. You got gray laces, but I think I'm going to stick with the black laces just for the sake of the video. We got Gore-Tex inside of the right sneaker. And look at the lining inside the sneaker. The tongue is actually a part of the upper as well. The tongue doesn't just flap around like a traditional Jordan 1. It's part of the, the upper of the sneaker. And the bottom is, I don't know what to really say about this bottom. I don't know if that's like supposed to say like ice or something, black ice. I'm not sure. But for some reason it looks good. I don't know why that looks good, but I kind of like the partially milky clear, translucent with the black. That's kind of how it looks like when it's snowing out there and it's kind of nasty looking. So there's the Gore-Tex tag, and let's take a look inside the Gore-Tex tag. it says when it has to be waterproof, okay? And it says right there, this product is guaranteed to be waterproof. I was like, okay, it'll keep you dry. So we'll test it out. Let's see what this QR code brings up. It did work. Looks like it takes you right to a Gortex PDF for you to look at all the details about it. And I read through it, and it was pretty interesting. They had me sold just by reading about them. All right, the black light. Yeah, the black light. There's markings all over these. And for this particular sneaker, it doesn't, well, for all sneakers for that matter, it doesn't really bother me. I think I've gotten over these leading line things over the years of doing these reviews, but I still do like to show them for some reason. And there they are. They're all over the sneaker. It doesn't compromise the design of the sneaker as you saw in the beginning part of the video, but these are really nice, man. They're really, really nice. I would love to have another pair of the other colorway. I don't think I'd spend some real money on them, but I'd probably try to get like a UA pair or something like that. These are meant to be worn outside in very crappy conditions. And this is what they look like when I brought them in the house. I waited about 30 minutes later and they looked like this, which is pretty much brand new. They're still transitioning even after all that snow I got in. So that's it, guys. Peace, love, and light. And I'll have another video coming up shortly. Peace.